It's a good question. Use this as a guideline to solve questions of this kind. Wherever possible, plug in a value. That's a primary objective of having this question. If A is equal to 9/11 of B, then B is what percent less than A plus B? Let's come to all of this later. See, they've established A in terms of B. The question says A is 9/11 of B. You can solve it with A is equal to 9/11 of B. A plus B is equal to 9/11 of B plus B and get the answer. You will be absolutely right about it. But the best thing is, many times when you plug in values, it becomes that much easier to perceive and get to the answer correctly. So plug in a value for B. If B is equal to 1, A will be 9/11. If B is equal to 10, A will be 90/11. But now that you have decided to plug in a value which will make calculations friendly. What will make it friendly? Always dealing with integers is friendly on calculation. So pick such a value for B, which will make both B and A an integer. So if I pick B to be a multiple of 11, let's say B is equal to 11, then A will be 9/11 of 11, which is equal to 9. Now we know B is equal to 11, A is equal to 9. What is A plus B? A plus B is equal to 11 plus 9, which is equal to 20. Now we have all of these numbers. Let's now step into what we need to find out. The question is asking, B is what percent less than A plus B? B is what? B is equal to 11. How much is A plus B? A plus B is equal to 20. 11 is how much less than 20? 11 is 9 less than 20. We're trying to establish this as a percentage of A plus B as a percentage of 20. So B is 9 less than 20. So it is what percent less? Multiply it with 100. You have the answer. So this basically cancels out as a 5. B is 45% less than A plus B. So this is all that you need to do. If you work with an A, B in terms of variables, you may not be able to perceive what is happening. Quickly capture it in a printed form. The crux is pick such values for B, which will make A to be an integer. Once you got this, the rest of it is like very, very simple. It'll take you probably 30 seconds to get to the answer.
What? Are we at the end of the video already? This one was a real short one. But you're looking for more information. Check out the related videos section at the end of this video and sign up for the most comprehensive and affordable GMAT Quant course that's available online at gmat.wizako.com.